It was this guy who was, he is my...
he was in the house.
Yeah, he was in the house.
This your house boy?
Yeah, just a moment.
When did this actually happen? When did this actually happen?
Wait, now what's the question?
When did this actually happen? When did this actually happen? How do you get to know that someone was lying down?
Master, we friend, I'm a coffee, I need them, me, but I'm better so or down. Now you can't also some Italian.
Hey, don't talk to me like that. You'll be held responsible for the case. You don't know.
Me get no much.
You don't be my coiko.
Me get no much.
You don't be my coiko.
Won't you
How they talk to me like that? Me are the peace officer if you don't know.
Can you cry come now?
Keep silent.
We are clutching in Papa.
Who be you? Today you go be inside today for you to see.
Me.
Now you still say na small. Now this one na small case. You be so every day. Hey, don't talk to me like that. Shut up. Don't talk to me too. That's why everybody they say they draw some blood for some people. Now you people they do so. Now you people, you they draw some blood from.
Whether you are
you go see today. Santo, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me like that.
Excuse me, Mr. Kent.
I will stop you. You will stop me. I will stop you. Santo, shut up.
Mr. Kent, excuse me.
I
said I need at the station for further investigation. I need at the station for further investigation.
All right. I will stop you. You don't know. You will keep inside today. Me Agua. Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that.
What's wrong with me? I don't know.
Now who be you?
Who be you? Me the president about to say what?
Hey, Nami. Look.
Yeah.
Today, you go today. You be held responsible for the case.
Me see.
Stand here. Stand here.
Yeah.
Stand here. You go there here. It is this is the small case.
Oh, yeah, we knew.
No be you there for the house. No be you there for house.
If you're in the media.
Now your boss, you know the no be you they keep the house.
No be you. What you no more if you are no money.
You think that this time not small case?
The quad day no drag you be be an asthma beka. Gentlemen,
I don't believe you. You think that small case?
I go be viva yo. Say ya me buana ta
you go see today.
Okay.
Somebody they just talk behind.
Hey,
don't talk to me like that. You be careful. You
are going to investigate seriously this matter. Just leave him. You are going to investigate seriously.
You done lucky. You go come meet me for police station there. You go come meet me there. I'm gonna give you some stuff. You go see. You get lucky.
Just leave him. You are going to investigate.
Go.
My brother. Now this will be statement form. Are you going to write the statement yourself or you go talk, make a write for you?
Who talk?
I said the statement you they can't talk. Now you yourself you go write or make a write for you. Or you don't sabi the thing will happen.
For me for who matter?
Now you are sabi you. The time I come and they come arrest you, you they make mock. You don't say today you come from office here.
Your case, it is my case.
I know your case. If it today we have to show you say what I go fast carry.
You know.
Now me I go talk you.
Hey,
hey, my brother, Sansa no bigare. Sansa no bigare.
Oh, yeah.
Sansa no bigare.
You don't know the person speaking to.
Okay. Make I put the statement for you.
No, we are not going to write statement.
Make I explain the thing for you. The reason why you are here. The reason why you are here. Don't talk to me like that way.
You be magistrate.
Your master way the server. You big man, you serve this small boy.
You not got rope for you talk. You not got.
If you saw they talk me.
You not got anything.
You won't come me to holler for me.
Black dress you dress. Say police.
Hey my brother, I go put you for bus. I go put you for bus.
But lorry bus or who bus?
Okay, that's your master. Where the server. They say you go thief somebody. 180 million.
My master.
Your master.
You go teach somebody.
They say you know something. They say you know something about the money.
You see you be crazy for this money. It be me.
That's why they talk me.
It be me.
That's why they talk me. I go show you sense.
Me, I don't go.
I say I go show you say I sabi move past you.
You go kill me.
I go use my brain to do something where you know. I don't forget.
Me, I tell you anyone me can do something lawyer. Court one kasa no me kasa. Court.
Unless your lawyer. Your lawyer.
I tell me.
You go see. You wait me. I will show you something where the power lies.
What is that?
You at the right statement say you the talk.
You don't the statement there for my head.
You sabi something about the money. You sabi something about the money. 180 million. You chop the money. So guess you the follow. You will see something.
Hey,
you will see me.
Fuck man. When you fuck man.
No be my post where they respect like I slap you yes now.
I tell you.
I go. You go see me.
You the common president. You don't get rope. You don't get anything.
Okay.
You know let
you go learn sense from this matter.
Think what you go chop tomorrow. Not be me to think about.
I talk. You say I don't get food job.
Moon don't die. Moon don't die. They suffer. That's why you want to teach me.
You don't respect me.
You think I will give you?
I say you don't respect me.
You leave that Peter.
You don't respect me.
You pick me prison.
You don't respect me. I'll go show you what type of bad guy. Let me have to talk to you. You go write the statement yourself or make I write the statement for you.
What statement?
I statement for you. They ask you say what statement.
Me, I don't know the do.
The money you and your master you go chop.
Constable, what is going on here?
Oh, officer. This is my man. I want you to write the statement or if you don't sabi book, make I write the statement for. But it a yap. Say me I know be proper police. You sabi proper police.
Aside patient, what we do is the man is in our custody, so we have to release him from investigation.
Release him?
Since the man is in our custody, we investigate through that side. We have to release him. He knows nothing about the case as of now.
So make I release him?
Yes. Release him.
Yes,
for that
release.
You get lucky.
Oh, you
sign before you go.
Sign for what? If you here in the bank, I'll bring check. I bring check here.
Now me they talk me so.
Yes, if you are talk, I'll go away from her house.
I will get you again. You get lucky. You go come for here.